Hello, in this video I want to show you our blockchain in CLI and GUI form. This is a Git project that is multi-chain demo that we are using to represent our blockchain in a UI form. So as we can see uh, in our system we are having three nodes. One is my node from which this particular Git project is connected. Then there are other two nodes, as you can see here, connected nodes with this IPs ending with 99 and ending with 184. So if I go to the CLI and if I go to the command line interface of my multi-chain, and if I run get peer in, I will be able to see the list of connected nodes. So here we can see the address ends with 100.99 and 130.184. 100.99 and 130.184. So these are the connected nodes with this particular node. So we are having three nodes running. Now, as we know, we are using streams in our project. So if I go to the stream, I can see there are two streams running. So one is root stream, that is a default stream. But in our project, we are using a stream that is named as a scheme. And we can see there are 14 items and two publishers. That means only two nodes are using this stream to publish data, and already 14 items are there. So if I go inside the scheme, I can see multiple entries or the data published inside this particular stream. So here we can see there is a publisher ID and there is a key and there are some data. Here also some publisher ID, key and data. So as we have already uh, explained that in our project we use a key to share the data or request for the data. So like this was a request that we have sent earlier, right? That is having a key that is department 1, department 2 and ID that is 48. Okay, and this is the data, and for this response or in response of this particular request we have this data as a response. So the key is again same 48 and 48, so that we know that the data that is sent or the response is from for which request. But we see the publisher has changed now because this is from another department, that is department 1. So we can see the publisher ID ends with ZBN, but here it is T8H. Okay, so I'll show you using our GUI also. We'll try to create one more request and response here. So I'm already logged in into department 1 where all the data is there in its database. So if I log out and go to department 2, here I see that some beneficiary details is incomplete. If I go down to the data, I can see yes, some of the details are not there. So what I will do is request missing information. So for this all data, I am requesting from department 1. Select department, that is department 1 only, and request. Okay, so I have requested logout. So if I go to our multi-chain demo, we should be able to see that particular stream now. So this one is 48. I'll see what is the key for new stream. Go to view stream. Now you can see the items, item number, I mean total items is increased by 1. I'll go inside the scheme to see what is there, and yes, you can see the new key is department 1, department 2 and 49, and the publisher is at H. ending with attach. Okay, this is the data. So we are requesting something. Okay, if I want to see this particular thing in the CLI, what I can do, I will copy this key. I'll go here, list stream item key items, and if I do this, it will ask for stream identifier and the key, right? So stream identifier is key is the key that we got now. If I enter, I can see a particular key, right? The data inside it. Okay. Now I will go to department 2, sorry, department 1, which has to approve the request. And I see one notification there. Request from department 2. These are the data that has been requested. I will send data. And if I go to multi-chain demo stream, now I see the items are 16 now. So one more item is added in this scheme. If I go to the scheme, I see what is particular key 49. One more, I mean the response is there, right? The same key, the publisher, but the publisher is different. Okay. And if I go to the CLI, run the same command for the same key, I see one more, the key is there, the publisher ID is there, right? Is ending with ZBN, and this big data is there, right? The same thing is here. Publisher is ZBN, key is 49, this is the data. So this is how our blockchain is working. Thank you.